What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. In today's video, I want to answer the question, what is the best investments to make right now? Now, you may be one of those people that has either money or time on your side. So if you have either of those two things, then today's video is going to answer the question, what is the best investment to make right now? So if you're ready, let's begin. Now, if you are one of those lucky few that has either money or time on your side, first, all I want you to do is smash that thumbs up button. It just helps out the video and tells YouTube, hey, this is a good video. You should share it with other people here on YouTube. Now, a lot of people have asked me, over the last couple of months, a lot of people have asked, well, I can't afford an investment because I don't have thousands of dollars. What should I do? What do you recommend? Well, here's my recommendation to you. You don't need $1,000. You do not even need $100 to make an investment. Okay, some of the best investments right now actually are free or cost very little. Let me explain. The very first investment, the best investment to make right now, and number one, okay, this is the number one investment you should make, is to invest in yourself and your future. You're probably thinking, well, what do I mean by that? Let me explain that. Did you know that the majority of people that are sitting around at home are spending their time watching TV, are not spending their time learning a new marketable skill? Keyword, marketable. If you do not learn and continue to learn new marketable skills, you will never get paid more. Your job that you're in right now may be the job that you're in for the rest of your life. So you need to learn a new marketable skill. But how do you do that? Well, exactly what you're doing right now. You're here on YouTube, a free platform, watching a video, which is free, learning new information, which is all free. Again, everything's free here on YouTube. Learn. Take these different videos, whether it's on, what are the best investments to make right now, or how to trade stocks, or how to sell real estate, or how to learn marketing or social media skills. All this stuff are new marketable skills that you can learn right now for free, that you can start to increase your income. Okay, you can become more suited for different jobs. People will actually look at your skills as, that's what I need for this position. You're hired. Now, here are just some new marketable skills that you can learn right now that will actually pay off, which is a great investment. So, first one is learning web design. Second one, any type of online marketing. It doesn't matter what kind of marketing you're doing online. It's all very simple, all very basic. Once you understand the basic principles behind marketing, you can turn those skills on any company out there. Whether it's local or international, you can actually help them, which in turn will help you out. You'll make more money. Another thing, video editing. I have used multiple video editors here on my channel and on other YouTube channels as well, and all of them have different skill sets. All of them charge different amounts, so because of that, you can easily jump on board, learn video editing, and start creating videos for people on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on different platforms as well. And it's a very marketable skill. It's something that you can easily charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars for. And the last one, which is not technically the last on the list, however, it's the last one I want to address, is becoming a social media manager, social media marketing. Once you understand social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, wherever, any social media platform out there, once you understand it, that skill set that you have just created and you just learned, okay, now that you're educated on that, you can actually sell that skill set to somebody else and run their marketing for their company. You can become their manager and get paid thousands and thousands of dollars every single month just to run their marketing campaign. So that's tip number one. That's the best investment you can make, is to invest in yourself and learn. The next best investment that I highly recommend everybody starts is to create an online side hustle. Now you're probably thinking, well, what would a side hustle be? What could I do? How would I actually make that an investment? Well, here's how. If you can start a single side hustle online, then what this really does is it increases your income. You are, yes, learning as you're going through this side hustle, and it could be anything. It could be e-commerce, YouTube, social media. It doesn't matter. Blogging, vlogging. There's so many options out there for you. Maybe you just want to do freelance work. That's a legitimate single side hustle. You can do this. And if you choose any of these online side hustles, what you have to do is devote some time, again, just time, and learn these new techniques, new strategies, and this entire business. If you can do that, this will be, honestly, one of the best investments you will ever make, because now you can create an income from anywhere in the world. And the best part about it is, all you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you can make a living. So, if you have questions on why or which online business I recommend for you, then all you gotta do is ask down in the comment section below, and I'll try to help you out any way that I can. You know how I just said that, starting a side hustle is gonna be the best investment you ever made? Well, that's true. However, there's also another investment that you need to make today, because this is truly one of the best investments you will ever make, and that investment is in your health. Now, it is true, health is wealth in this case. Many entrepreneurs, such as myself, we have gone through stages, we have gone through weeks and months, maybe even years, where we did not put our health first, and that became a problem. And I want to explain why. And it's very simple. Improved health usually equates to improved mental and physical capacity. If you can think more clearly, you can do more physically, you will become more. You will get more done throughout the day. So, an improved health will really mean an improved wealth. Does it mean you're going to be a billionaire tomorrow? No, it doesn't. Does it mean you're going to be on the right track? Yes, it probably does. Now you're probably thinking, well, I don't have 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours to go to the gym, pump iron, get fit. I just don't have the time. And I can't cook, chicken and fish every single day. I just can't do that. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is eat a little bit healthier, do between 15 and 30 minutes worth of exercise. It can be anything. Jump rope, punching bag, elliptical, treadmill, go on a walk, go swimming. Do whatever you want for 15 to 30 minutes. Get some type of cardio in, get a little bit of weights, and you will become a little bit healthier. And again, health is wealth. And the last best investment you can make right now is to invest in the stock market. And I know what you're thinking. I don't want to invest in stocks because it's up and down. It's too volatile. I can't do it. I don't have the stomach for it. What I want you to do is go and find companies that have been around a while. Go and find companies that obviously the stock market dropped. It tanked. And so right now is one of the best times in your lifetime that you can buy some cheap stocks. And I mean very cheap. You can buy stocks that are way undervalued. For example, one of the stocks that I think is still undervalued, I really like it. It's called Simon Property Group. This is one they invest. They pretty much own a bunch of malls. They're the biggest mall holder in the entire world, or in the United States at least. And they're a really good company. I really like them. Have had their stocks for a while, but I really doubled down after the whole virus hit. And as their stock tanked, I bought and bought and bought and bought much more. So currently they're trading at like $68. That's as of, I think, Thursday. So a few days ago. And they're trading at around $68. Many people expect them to get up to about $130 range. And so right now you can almost double your money by purchasing Simon Property Group. And again, this is not a guarantee. I'm just saying many people expect them to get up to the $130 range. Before the whole virus hit, and before malls started closing down and a lot of the tenants stopped paying their rent, what was happening is Simon Property Group was trading in between $140 to $160. So I think $130 is a very fair evaluation. I think that it will eventually go up, but again, this is just one stock. Go and find different companies out there that you believe in. One of the other ones that I'm buying every single week is Coca-Cola. I buy them every single week because I think they're a very good company. Another one that I've been buying is Amazon and Microsoft. Now, those are a little bit more pricey. Amazon is a lot more expensive, but just understand if you have the money, okay, if you want to make an investment, these are good companies that I think are going to be around for a very long time. So if you have any questions on any of these investments, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. Now, one thing I can tell you when it comes to the best investments you will ever make right now is to listen to your gut. If your gut, you have a feeling that investing in stocks is not for me, I do not want to do that right now, don't do it. Just invest in the things that you know. Just invest in the things that you truly believe in. For example, invest in yourself, in additional learning, and your health. If you can do that, I guarantee you will be happier. You might not make a lot more money initially, but eventually you could. And that's the ultimate goal with an investment, is to put in a little bit of time or money today and see that that investment actually goes up. There is some type of gain. All right. So again, if you have any questions whatsoever, ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.